This is Eric Mother.com. Let's take a look here. We're going to be taking a look at Snap, and we're going to take a look at this from a 2-year weekly, in fact all data weekly, so all data weekly. And in this quick video I'm going to draw a simple line connecting this low on the RSI and this one here, and I'm going to extend the line. Whoops, let me do it again. So again, connecting this low and this low, and of course you can see what I'm trying to show you here is we get a break here during this drop zone. We get a double top rejection for this weekly closing highs before we drift lower here. And then over the last, let's call it month or so, we've hit this twice. Again, this is all data weekly, and in showing this resistance here, this is also RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection. And we can also see that if we take a look at the 2-hourly, one can also argue that as of yesterday or over the last couple of days, we can see the RSI was showing some type of topside resistance if you consider this line from the RSI highs. So based on the weekly and the 2-hourly, looks like what this is suggesting is it makes more sense that the stock is now more in a pullback mode, if anything. We'll see how it goes. This is Eric Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESC.